Hey guys, Mike Seiler here, broker of record with C21 in Studio Realty, and I want to make a short video just to show you guys how to make an order for your business cards on VistaPrint. I kind of anticipated that with the seal going off the business card, there might be some issues on what you see in the preview and what you actually get in person. And sure enough, when I got my cards, they weren't quite what I was expecting, but nonetheless, I was still quite happy. Yeah, here's the business card. You can see on the right, the top right, the seal is kind of clipped. It's supposed to be clipped a lot more. I'm very happy with the seal, how it was clipped on the bottom left. And this picture doesn't quite do it justice, but this is one of Vista's premium cards with a pearl finish. So I'm just going to take you through the steps on how to do this and how I'm going to order my cards next time to avoid the top right clipping as you see it. So I'm going to open up my browser and go to VistaPrint. And so top left here you have business cards. And then if you click on this premium one here, and then Pearl business cards, that's the one that I've ordered. So you want to go ahead and select vertical, standard, Pearl, premium, standard corners, and I think 500 was good for us, and start designing. So here we can upload our own design, and I'm going to choose the one on the right where it's the premium card. So I've uploaded the front of the card here. I'm going to drag it over and put it in there. And so you can see that where the seal is originally placed, and if I were to click on preview, you can see that in the preview it snips the seal. I like how it looks, and so I ordered the cards, and they came, as you can see, not quite as clipped. I don't really think that this is, VistaPrint's problem. I think that's just going to be the nature of, cropping the business cards like that, or cropping the seal, sorry. So I think the best thing to do is just kind of work with what we have. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on my image and I'm just going to resize it and take the one corner here and just make it a little bit bigger. And now if I were to click on preview, you can see that it's a lot closer, and I anticipate it's going to be a little bit less, but anyway, that's the solution. We're going to add a reverse side. I'm going to upload another image. Click on full color here and drag Cindy's photo. And this is how it is originally, and as you can see on the preview, it came out really well, so I wouldn't touch it beyond that. And so that's pretty much it. Click on next. And they show you the before and after. You can improve your design and then get on with ordering it. So I hope this is helpful to you guys. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Have a great day.